Hey there. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. It's me, Kitty King TV, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to become a voice actor. Tip number one. Now, this can be possibly the most important thing you can do for yourself in the voice acting career, no matter where you're at in your career or where you're at currently with voice acting, voiceover, is to find yourself some coaching or take some courses from a reputable source. I know personally that once I took courses from someone I highly respect in the voice acting industry, I found it a lot easier to navigate from my standpoint on where to go next in the voice acting career. And it really set a path as well as gave me tons and tons of information to allow me to move forward. I'm still currently taking courses and classes and always looking to improve. And anybody can improve no matter what level you're at. I see people at the highest level even attending courses till this day and attending other people's seminars and sessions, and it's super awesome to see that they're always striving to learn something new or get better in their career. So if you don't know where to go or where to start or whatnot, the very first thing and the best thing I could recommend for you is to take a class. Find a voice actor that you really like and see if they have classes. A lot of them do their own classes, or possibly you can see what classes that they've taken to get to where they're at. That's my number. That's going to be my first tip. Tip number two, build a brand. Now, I know just that saying that in general can just be very scary and kind of, well, that's a lot to take in. What do you mean by just building a brand? And what I mean by that, I'm going to kind of break it down to just two things: be reachable and be unique to yourself. And this is what I mean by those two things. Be reachable. By building your brand, you want to make sure that people are able to find you when they're searching for you. They're going to want to know, okay, how do I get back to this person? I really like their audition this time. How do I get back to them? Oh, so and so mentioned about this person. How do I reach them? You want to be able to be easy to contact, easy to find. So if someone is looking to hire you for a job or just get in contact for you to talk to you about your voice acting career, they're going to be able to do that with ease. You never want to make it difficult for someone to be able to get in contact with you. And number two, be unique to yourself. What I mean by that is your voice. Okay, your voice is unique to you. Nobody is going to be able to take what you can do and do it better than yourself. When I say be unique to yourself, most people are not going to be looking for a copy of another person. If they want, they'll just go and get that person. You're going to want to build your brand around what you're good at. How does your voice sound? What are you going to be able to bring to the table that others may not be able to do as well as you? When you're selling your voice or trying to get someone to look at you as a voice actor or a voiceover, you're never going to want to explain yourself in ways that doesn't make sense or that aren't true to you, because most people that are looking to hire you are going to be able to tell right away that, hey, you may not have that guy next door voice, or you may not have that voice of God voice that is very popular, but you do have your voice, and what you're able to do with that, you know better than anybody else. So you know yourself best. Make sure when you're branding, you're just honest with yourself and what you're bringing out with your own voice, and be reachable so people can contact you when they need to. Last tip, tip number three: apply and connect. Now that you've done some coaching or some courses and you've kind of worked on your brand so people are able to reach you easier, you're going to want to start getting to it. Start applying as much as you can. If you have done the courses or the coaching or whatnot, you're probably going to know where you can typically find work or get to starting to find work. And you're just going to want to try and pump out as much work as you can when you can. When you're applying for different jobs on different sites or whatnot, that's slowly building up your practice, building up your voice, building up your audition skills, everything that you've been practicing and learning and coaching and courses and whatnot. That'll all start to come together and come to fruition, fruits. Yes. And as well as connecting with others, connecting with your peers. A lot of people say, networking and marketing is going to be a big thing in the business, and it is. You do want to try your best to connect with maybe some of your classmates that you took courses with, or even the coach themselves that have coached you. They can connect you with others, casting directors, agents, just kind of expanding your network through that terms. It can be a bit easier said than done, but you're able to do it. If you're really looking to improve, there are different ways you can do it. Going to voice acting specific conventions and meetings, and just really searching for other groups and peers of voice actors, possibly connecting with someone you worked on a project with prior. It's important to know while you're trying to connect with others, you want to be a genuine person about it. All right. You want to be pleasant and nice to work with, nice to be around, and not just be uh, an egotistical asshole, I guess you can say. That's going to be the big thing when it comes to networking, meeting other people. I recently went to an event and had such a blast where I was able to meet so many fantastic peers and people I look up to and respect highly in the voice acting industry. And it was just amazing how down to earth and actually genuine these people can be. And they're gonna want to look for people similar to that. Uh, to bond with and to work with in the future. So go out there and just give it your best. Get some coaching, get some classes. Tip one, build your brand, be unique to your own voice and to yourself, and apply and connect. And you're on your way to becoming a voice actor. That's really big three foundational things that you can do for yourself. So do what you will with those tips. Thanks for checking out the video and coming in to watch. I hope I was able to help you one way or another, no matter what part or what step you are currently. And yeah, if you like this video, feel free to leave a like down below. I'd really appreciate it. And go ahead and drop a comment and subscribe if you want to see more as well, because I'm definitely going to bring you some more tips in the future. All right, this is Kitty out, and I'll catch you on the next time. See ya. Bye. Wow, words today. I'm so tired. I haven't slept. It's a long story. I've just been awake for days. All right, bye.